gentlemen, pero bago lahat, syempre, simple na gagawin natin. I-announce na po natin who will be the Miss Lux White for today. Again, another introduction to them. Candidate number 1, magmula po sa Parañaque City, Chanel Adri Cruz. Candidate number 2 from Malolos, Bulacan, Princess Shaina Borlongan. And our last candidate for today, from Mendez, Cavite, Sophia Mariel Borja. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 3 candidates for today. The announcement, can I have the envelope, please? Pag ikaw nauntog sa poste, pala ka. Paikot-ikot pa. I have the envelope. 20,000 for the winner for today. And she will be back sa ating Monday Finals. And the winner for today is candidate number... Candidate number 3! Sophia Mariel Borja from Mendez, Cavite. Would like to thank Chanel Adri Cruz and Princess Shaina for joining. We'll see you Monday, and we'd like to thank our director, Randy Santiago. Our director, Randy, thank you very much.
Hello mga kapuso! Ako po si Ipon. Minabati ko unang-una dyan mga kaipo natin, mga kaskwami ko dyan. Nagustuhan nyo ba ang video na to? Marami pa kaming inanda para sa inyo. Mag-subscribe lang sa Wowin YouTube channel. Tsaka, don't forget to hit the, the bell button para lagi kang updated. Yun lang!